everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia, Turok here, and welcome back to another property tour. Today I'm in this gorgeous 3-bedroom duplex in Fitzrovia, and this property is listed with Chiara from Century 21 London Central Office. Thank you very much, Chiara, but today I'm able to film this perfect video and also to take photos, floor plan and 360 virtual tour. If you want to see more, click the link down below for a virtual tour. And I really love this apartment because it has 7 meters double high ceiling. Wow, look at this view. Isn't it stunning? I already want to have a coffee there. We are in heart of Fitzrovia, which is next to Oxford Circus or God Street, and you have a lot of amenities, shops and everything around. Right now we are on the ground floor and this apartment has a little bit over 1,600 square feet. This is a bedroom, or I can imagine you can use it as well as an office because it's really bright and spacious. You can as well move this door. Oh, I don't know how. Let me show you. Which are really loud because then you can change it. For example, you want to have an entrance here, or you can have it like this in the middle. So I really love that you can actually have 2 entrances in whole apartment and you can choose which one you want to use. That's amazing bridge for all your fashion videos. If you're a fashion lover. Very convenient guest toilet. Here, have a look. Let me take you to lower ground floor so you can explore the rest of the apartment. We are in reception room. This reception room has double high ceiling. It's very spacious and bright. So you can entertain a lot of guests here. Or maybe if you have like huge birthday party, so you have enough space even for dancing. Or this is probably, I assume it will be dining area, or maybe you can relax here as well. It's so spacious, you can fit probably even like 10 chairs here. Then you have a double aspect private terrace. Let me show you the terrace. And the terrace is going around the whole apartment. Isn't it great? So you can sit here, enjoy your morning coffee, and you don't even have a feeling that you are in central London. And what is great is that you have entrance to the terrace from each room. Let me show you the kitchen. Right now we are in the kitchen, which has very modern meal appliances, really high spec, and I really love this dishwasher. Let me have a look. Wow. Let me turn it off. This is a breakfast area, so you can have your croissant in the morning, or you can basically grill some nice dinner for your guests. And let me show you another 2 spacious bedrooms. Very spacious double bedroom, or probably even like in some apartments, principal bedroom, with very large super king size bed. You have a wardrobe over there, and it is ensuite room, so you have a shower and toilet here. Beautiful, very modern. Let me show you the main bedroom. This is the main principal bedroom. You have entrance to the private terrace as well. You can watch even TV here. You have a lot of space for your clothes with a built-in wardrobe. I really love in every room you have actually like light around on the ceiling, which is very, very modern. And look at this, I'm going to shower. Can you see me? So yeah, so you have a shower here and also bathtub. So if you like to have a bath with your bath bombs, that's a place to relax. And let me take you back to the main entrance. Actually, bridge, the fashion bridge. And that's pretty much everything. If you'd like to know more about this gorgeous 3-bedroom duplex, contact Chiara. I will leave you all the details down in the description box. And also, if you would like to see my 360 virtual tour, click the link down below. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for more property tours like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!